Students, let's see distributive property or distributive law, where use this property in various math chapters from grade 6 to grade 12. So distributive property, so for starting, I take up A, B, C to be any numbers in grade 6. You use whole numbers. In grade 7 integers, grade 8 rational numbers, so 9, 10 and 11 and 12 the rational, irrational and the real numbers. Okay, so let's learn. So let me tell a cutie story about the distributive law. So A, B, C are friends. Okay, so A, B, C are friends where B and C put up nearby. They reside nearby. B and C, their homes are nearby, where in between B and C home there is a signal. So A, B and C are friends. A is having a bicycle. A, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So the into symbol is bicycle, the plus symbol is signal. Just think of it. So A, the friend A, take his bicycle, that is into, and go and meet his or a friend B. Okay, A into B. Then he just friend A cross over after meeting B friend. He cross over the signal, and again A with his bicycle go and meet friend C. Okay, go and meet friend C. Yes. So that's why A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. Yes. So the same way, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, or we also say it to be under subtraction. So the same way I take up A, B, C. They can be belongs to W, okay, or like real numbers. We just say they belong to real numbers. So I take A, okay, B, C. So A, B, C are good friends. B and C put up, they just reside nearby where there is a signal in between their home, and A travel by bicycle, any mode of transport you can take it. A take his bicycle, okay, take his bicycle, so into, and go and meet his friend B. Then cross over the signal. A, again A with his bicycle or any mode of transport, can be anything, by foot. A meet his friend C. Clear? So it's distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction equal to A into B minus A into C. Clear? So let's see some problems. So the first thing, I take it to be, I take all my A, B, C, the numbers to be integer. Okay, A, B, C belongs to integers. So we denote it by Z. A is minus 3, B 8, C equal to 2. Okay, I take A, B, C which belongs to the set integer. So let's see. So it is given like LHS is given. So let's see the distributive property A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. So it is given like LHS. We would like to write it in RHS. So A into B. Okay, it's given. So let's start. Minus 3 is A. Okay, A into B plus C. I write minus 3 into 8 plus 2. It is given. So let's write it in the right hand side. Minus 3 into, okay, the minus 3 friend go and meet his friend 8 plus, okay, plus minus 3, go and meet his friend 2. Okay, the next C. Okay, so A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So we know the integer calculation. Let's do the calculation separately. Minus 3 into 8, minus into plus, if there is no sign, it's considered to be plus. Minus into plus, okay, minus into plus, it is minus. Then 3 into 8, it is 24. Good. So done. So let's see the next part. So this we have done. Let's go for the A into C part. It's minus 3 into 2. Again, first we will see the sign, then number. Minus into plus minus, 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2, it is 6. So A into B, we got it minus 24. In the middle, there is a plus sign. Okay, that. Then minus 6. So let's do integer calculation again. We take out the brackets. So if we take out the brackets, how do you write? Yes. So there are two symbols we could see, plus and minus, that we club it together. Minus 24 plus into minus 6. Now minus into minus, it's plus. So what you have to think, if it is minus into minus, it's plus. So your brain should say that you have to add. You have to add the number. So if you add the number 24 and 6, what do you get? Okay, you have to add it. So 24 and 6, you get it to be 30. But you have to be very clear, the greater number sign will, okay, the greater number is, if you compare 24 and 6, which is the greater number? 24. What is the sign? It's minus. Okay, it's minus 30. Then verify. Okay, here let's verify the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Like under subtraction we will see. Okay, so I take it to be the ABC value to be integer again. A into of multiplication over subtraction. No, so it is B and C, in between what would come? Over subtraction means minus, which is equal to A meet his friend B, cross over the signal, A meet his friend C. Okay, so all these are, I'm just going to substitute. So yeah, here it is verify. So I'm going to do LHS separately, RHS separately, and I'm going to verify whether both the values are same or not. Okay, so for that I just bipartite. Okay, LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side, what do you have? We have A into B minus C. So it is minus 4 into minus 7 minus of, okay, minus 7 minus of plus 5. Okay, why I put bracket? For the clarification. Minus of 5. So it's positive 5. So yes, this is A. Okay, B, C. Okay, for your understanding, I've just substituted A, B, C. Minus 4. Okay, let me do integer calculation again. So minus 4 into, we will manipulate the brackets first, then we will simplify. Minus 7, minus into plus, it is minus 5. So if you do the brackets, minus 4, okay, integer calculation over there, then we will multiply with minus 4. Minus 4 into, so let's see, let's do minus 7 minus into minus plus, so you have to add. Okay, you have to add. So if you add 7 and 5, you get 12. What is a greater number there? 7 is greater, which is having minus, so minus. So minus 4 into minus 12. You have to multiply. When you multiply, how do? You will multiply the sign and you will write minus into minus plus. Okay, like signs. Like signs will give you positive. 4 into 12, it is 4 into 12, it is 48. So left hand side value, I get it positive 48. Let's do the right hand side and check whether I get the same or not. So it is A into B. Okay, A is minus 4 into minus 7 minus of A into C. Okay, minus 4 into 5. I'm just substituting. So we do the bracket separately, then we will subtract. Okay, A into B minus y minus because it is there in the law. Okay, clear? So let's do that. So it's multiplication. What you will do, you will multiply and you will be writing the sign. Minus into minus plus 4 into 7, 28. Good. Middle, the minus. Then we will multiply simplify the bracket. Minus into plus minus 4 into 5, 20. That is minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. Now you could see there are two signs. We need to club it together and make it to be a single one. So, okay. So it's 28 plus 28 minus into minus plus. Why it's plus? Both are like signs. Okay, minus minus. So that's why. So positive positive just like addition. So it's plus 48. Okay. So it's plus 48. So my LHS and RHS. So that gives me LHS 48 equal to RHS the same 48. Okay. So hence. So finally we do write it as hence verified. Which is verified? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is verified. Okay, we have done with integers. Let's do it with rational numbers. Okay, so I'm going to try it with rational numbers now. So let's learn. So A, B, C are rational numbers here. So the first sum I take A to be 5, B to be 1 by 2 and C 3 by 4. Okay. Okay. So let's take it A into B plus C. Okay, 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Let's write the property A into B plus C. Okay. Okay, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So let's see. It is given. How it is given in the question? The given question is in the form of left hand side. So we have to just expand it into the right hand side. Okay. So I'm going to write left hand side. So we will do it for the right hand side. So A is 5. 5. So 5 means we write it to be 1, no, 5 by 1. 5 by 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 1 into 3 by 4. Okay. So we could not able to cancel it. So what do? You just multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. 5 into 1, it's 5. 1 into 2, it is 2. The middle plus. Then here again you can't do cancellation. So 5 into 3, 1 into 4. What is 5 into 3? It is 15. 1 into 4, 4. Good. So I'm going to add. So here I have 2, here I have 4. So they are unlike. I have different denominators. So what do? I find LCM. So I'm going to do LCM in the trick. Like using the trick 2 and 4, the greater number is 4. I just go and check in 2 table. Yes, it is divisible. So yes, 4 is the LCM. So I have to change the 2 to be 4. So how can I do that? I have to change the 2 to be 4. So how can I change my denominator to be 4? So yes. Okay. So I should multiply. Okay, the denominator I should get to be the LCM value. So 2 2 I multiply with the numerator and denominator so that I get the denominator to be 4. Okay, same you have to multiply the same in the numerator as well. So it's 10 by 4. Here it's 1 1. Already it's 4, so not necessarily to multiply with any other number other than 1. Got it? So it is like, it means my denominators are same, so easily we could add it. 10 by 4 plus 15 by 4, which is equal to, okay, commonly I can take 4, okay, 10 plus 15, which is equal to 10 plus 15, it's 25 by 4. Okay, you can leave it or you can bring down to the lowest form or the simplest form. 25 divided by 4 is like improper. The numerator is greater. So you can change it in a mixed form. So how do you change? You have to divide. 25 divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 25? There are 6 4s. 6 are 24, balance 1. So I can write it as, yeah, the 25 by 4 I can write it to be 6 1 by 4. Okay, clear? Yes, the value of the expression of the rational numbers a into b plus c, the value is 6 1 by 4. Solution of the fourth sum. Here again I take rational numbers a, b, c to be my rational number using distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, a into, so we'll write it again, a into b minus c, which is equal to a into b minus a into c. Clear? So how it is given? It is given in the form of LHS. So let's apply the RHS rule to find the value. Okay, a into b minus, okay, a into c, that's minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10. Don't take it to be minus 3 by 10 because the minus in the middle is there, okay, which is there in the law. Okay, it's just 3 by 10. Okay, c is just 3 by 10. Clear? Minus a into c. Okay, so let's do that. So like when I look at, can I do any cancellation? It is possible? Yes, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay, I can cancel. Again here, yes, 4 and 10 will cancel in 2 table. 4 twos are 4. Okay, 2 twos are and 2 fives are. So any other cancellation is not possible. So what do? We just multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 into, there is minus, minus into plus, minus, 1 into 1, okay, minus, 1 into 1, it's 1, then down, 5 into 1, it is 5, middle minus, then there, yeah, okay, so minus, we have to take it inside the bracket later, minus into plus minus, 2 into 3, it is 6, down we have 5 into 5, it is 25. So minus 1 by 5. So there are two signs, minus and minus. We club it together and put it as a single sign. So it's minus into minus plus 6 by 25. Again, when I see here, the denominators are different. 1 is 5, 1 is 25. We take LCM 5 and 25. Greater number is 25. When I go and check with 5 table, 25 is divisible. Then 25 is the LCM. Okay. So how can I change it? So minus 1 by 5. The 5 I have to change it to be 25. What I need to multiply with that. So let's see. Okay. What I need to multiply with 5? 5. 5 5s are 25. So same we are supposed to multiply with the numerator because we are trying to write an equivalent rational number for the minus 1 by 5 which is having the denominator to be 25. Okay. So minus into plus minus 1 into 5 5. 1 1. It is 6. So let's do the simplification. It is minus 5 by 25 plus 6 by 25. Okay, which is equal to the 25 to be commonly written down once, minus 5 plus 6, which is equal to, So again integer calculation, minus into plus minus. Okay, then you have to think that you have to do difference. Okay, you have to think difference. So what is the difference? See, I'll write it for you. So minus into plus minus. So you have to think subtract. I need to subtract. What do you have to subtract? What is the difference between 5 and 6? It is 1. Okay, the difference is 1. And the greater number sign to be plus or minus. 6 is the greater number, so plus. Divided by 25. Clear? Thank you for watching.